Unfold power in your palm with the best folding shovels built for rugged adventures. Crafted with tough steel and smart design, they tuck neatly into packs but tackle big tasks with ease. From trail to trench, they're the ultimate space-saving tool for outdoor warriors and survivalists. In this video, we recommend the 7 best folding shovels. Based on quality, durability, price, and more. Check the description for purchase links to easily find the right choice for you. Number 7. RHINO USA Folding Survival Shovel. The RHINO USA Folding Survival Shovel is a rugged, heavy-duty tool built for serious outdoor challenges. Crafted from carbon steel with a black powder-coated finish, it offers superior strength and corrosion resistance in any environment. Its 3-in-1 design features a versatile 180-degree shovel, 90-degree pickaxe, and 90-degree pick hoe, making it ideal for digging through dirt, sand, snow, or mud. Whether you're off-roading, camping, gardening, or hitting the beach, this military-style entrenching tool delivers powerful performance in a compact form. It folds neatly for easy portability and comes with a tough carry case, so you can pack it without hassle. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's perfect for both casual outdoor use and demanding survival situations. Built to handle real-world abuse, this shovel is a must-have addition to your gear setup. Its sleek appearance and smart functionality make it a reliable choice for adventurers and everyday users alike. Number 6. SOG Entrenching Tool Folding Survival Shovel. The SOG Entrenching tool is a compact powerhouse designed for tactical, camping, and survival use. Built with high-carbon steel, it's tough enough to dig through dirt, gravel, snow, and mud while resisting wear in harsh environments. Its wood saw edge is perfect for chopping branches and cutting kindling, adding utility for fire prep or shelter building. A 3-way folding design allows you to switch between shovel, pick, and hoe functions, making it ideal for digging pits, trenching, or clearing terrain. This folding shovel is lightweight and folds down small, taking up minimal space in your backpack or gear kit. The triangular handle fits comfortably in hand, offering stability and control for demanding jobs in rugged settings. It's a multi-use tool made for fire building, waste disposal, or emergency prep on any adventure. Whether you're a camper, hiker, or survivalist, this tool brings compact strength and dependable function wherever you go. Number 5. YOUNGDO Folding Shovel. The YOUNGDO Folding Shovel is a 10-in-1 multifunctional tool built for serious outdoor versatility. It handles everything from digging, hoeing, and sawing to bottle opening, nail pulling, and even hammering, making it perfect for any scenario. Crafted from 420 alloy steel with surface oxidation treatment, it offers outstanding durability and corrosion resistance. The handle features a special non-slip design, ensuring a firm, comfortable grip that reduces hand fatigue during tough tasks. Its screw-type removable handle is easy to assemble and allows for compact storage in your backpack or vehicle. Weighing just over a pound, this tactical shovel is ideal for camping, hiking, backpacking, and emergency use. The adjustable locking device lets you set the shovel to various angles, turning it into a pickaxe or hoe instantly. Whether you're clearing snow, preparing a fire, or exploring rugged terrain, this tool keeps up with your adventure. Number 4. REDCAMP Military Folding Camping Shovel. The REDCAMP Military Folding Camping Shovel is a tough, portable tool made for outdoor reliability. Constructed from high-quality manganese steel, it resists rust, deformation, and wear for long-lasting performance in rugged conditions. Its trifold design and included storage bag make it easy to carry, whether you're hiking, camping, or exploring off the grid. The adjustable shovel head locks in place and shifts between 180 degrees for shoveling and 90 degrees for hoeing or digging versatility. A serrated edge on the blade adds extra function, making brush clearing and firewood prep quick and efficient. Despite its sturdy build, the shovel remains lightweight and compact enough for any pack or vehicle trunk. It performs reliably in sand, snow, mud, or tough terrain, making it ideal for survival, gardening, or outdoor recreation. Multifunctional and durable, this shovel is a practical companion for adventurers and everyday users alike. Number 3. DARTMOOR Mini Folding Shovel. The DARTMOOR Mini Folding Shovel is a rugged, lightweight tool built for serious outdoor functionality. Made from heat-treated high-carbon steel, it resists rust and deformation while offering durability for tough jobs. Its compact design and reinforced blade make it ideal for digging through gravel, soil, or sand with ease. Whether you're camping, hiking, or stuck in a muddy off-road situation, this shovel is a reliable solution. Perfect for sawing, chopping, and entrenching, it's useful for both adventure and emergency preparedness. Easy to carry in its nylon case, this portable tool fits neatly in your pack, car, or gear kit. Number 2. VIVOSUN Folding Survival Shovel. The VIVOSUN Folding Survival Shovel is a sturdy, versatile tool built for demanding outdoor tasks. Made from high-carbon steel with a heat-treated head, it's crafted to handle heavy-duty digging, sawing, and chopping. Its thick cutting blade slices easily through gravel and tough terrain, making it ideal for any environment. This multi-purpose tool works as a shovel, hoe, pick, or saw, perfect for camping, gardening, or emergency use. Despite its strength, the shovel is lightweight and compact, fitting easily into the included nylon carry case. A dependable choice for outdoor enthusiasts, it's a must-have for both rugged adventures and daily use. Number 1. AugTouf Military Folding Camping. The AugTouf Military Folding Camping Shovel is a compact and lightweight tool built for versatile outdoor use. Constructed with high-carbon steel and heat-treated blades, it offers excellent durability and rust resistance. The sawtooth edge and strong triangular handle make digging, sawing, and chopping easier with less hand fatigue. Its three-fold design allows it to be adjusted straight or at a right angle for added utility. The included nylon case adds convenience, doubling as a belt attachment or even a knee pad while working. Ideal for camping, backpacking, car emergencies, and gardening, this shovel packs power in a portable form. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.